Shift your weight to the right, recreating the frame. With the next step to the left, we will get into the dip position. So taking this step, rotate your pelvis toward the partner, you're facing the corner of the room, most of your weight is on the left leg, left knee is bent. Rotate your body a bit more and straighten the right elbow to send the lady deeper into the pose. Gentlemen, notice that during the dip, you have to avoid leaning over the lady. Contrary, drive your hips forward and keep your back straight to create the counterweight. If you want the pose to be bigger, do it by bending your knee more, rotating your body more, and straightening your elbow more, not by leaning over the lady. We'll turn around for the lady's perspective, so you can more easily copy the moves. Now shift your weight to the left, recreate the frame, take a side step to the right, entering the dip. With this step, rotate counterclockwise, turning your right side toward the partner. Bend your right knee, left leg is straight and in front of you, direct your hips forward and up, and tilt your upper body and head backward, looking to the left. Ladies, during the dip, you should stay within your own balance as much as you can. Avoid pulling the partner with you and transferring too much of your weight to his hands. Okay, let's go back to our proper direction and we're going to dance it again with the counting. 8, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3.